Comparing improper fractions and mixed numbers. So far, we have considered only proper fractions in all our examples. However, we may use the same approach when comparing improper fractions as well. However, this time we have an extra weapon available. We can convert improper fractions into mixed numbers and eventually compare only the whole parts, without concerning ourselves with the fractional part of both mixed numbers. This saves us precious time in calculating the LCM of numerators or denominators. For example, if we want to compare 47/13 and 69/17, we write the following as shown on screen. We also have hence, considering only the whole part of the corresponding mixed numbers, we obtain 47/13 is less than 69/17 because 3 is less than 4. Even in the case when the whole part is equal in two improper fractions, it is more appropriate to have them written as mixed numbers, because we can compare the two corresponding proper fractions instead of the entire fractions. Example: which of the numbers shown on screen is the biggest? Solution. First, we write all fractions as mixed numbers. We have the following as shown on screen. We also have from here, we can immediately exclude the third fraction, 17/9, as it is the smallest number from the list because the corresponding whole part is 1, while in the other two numbers the whole part is 2. Hence, comparing only the fractional part of the first two numbers, we obtain 2/11 and 2/7, where obviously the number with the fractional part 2/7 is the greatest. Hence, we can write the following as shown on screen. That is all for lesson 3.3.4. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.3.5, adding or subtracting the numerator or denominator of a fraction by the same number. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.